Ready. What's up guys, it's your boy WannabeMatt. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's been a while. I think I haven't uploaded a video in about 1 month. So I thought it'd be to kick off my channel for the new year with a dread update. Yeah, for the new year. So this is probably the first video I've uploaded since the new year began, and we're in February, March. Close enough. I think it was best. So yeah, I decided to kick off this video, or kick off back my channel. So I decided to make this dread update video. I think the last dread update video was my 11 month or 10 month. I'm gonna link the description here or somewhere on the screen. You can check that video because this is my 1 year anniversary. Yes, for a whole 12 months I've locked my hair. As you guys can probably tell from the video, my hair, I just did my hair last week, got it retwisted. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 of that soon. I just wanted to talk about the progress so far. So last year, January 12th, I locked my hair, and yeah, I didn't look back. It's now been a whole 12 months. It's grown, and you guys can see it's grown a lot. Last retwist I did just showed how much it has grown. Because it's styled, it seems like it's short, but once I pull this out and let it down, I'll probably make a video where I count my dreads or the length of my dreads. But yeah, that's been fine. I don't treat my hair well. I've been what's the word? Neglecting my hair. I only retwist once every 3 to 4 months. That's pretty bad, I think, personally. I'm gonna change that. I think I'm gonna go once every 3 months or something like that, because once I retwist and style my hair, I don't go back until next time it needs retwisting or styling. Products I use in my hair. I don't use anything in my hair. Once I go to retwist, whatever my loctician puts in my hair, that's what I use. Other than that, all I spray my hair with is some oil mist thing. I don't know what it is. Other than that, I just wash, oil, and throw in a headband, and I'm off. That's it. Don't think about it. I leave it. I wrap my hair at night. I use a bonnet or a do-rag, keeping all the moisture and to keep out lint. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a 360 of my hair. Or is it if it's 360 when I do like round, but if I do round and show the top, is it that like half a spherical? Or anyway, 360. Ready? And go. So yeah, that's a 360 of my hair, or montage of my hair, because I don't know if I actually went 360 just now or whatever degrees. I guess that's pretty much it for my dread year, or my 1 year dread update. It's long, it's grown, it's healthy, I think. It's oiled, oiled, moisturized. Moisturizing is key. I'll probably make some more videos on my dread update, probably count them, or maybe I want to cut them off, maybe I don't, maybe I want to color them, maybe I don't, who knows. Stay tuned for the next year of my update. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, or you can hit me up on my Instagram. And if I have questions for you guys, I'll definitely won't hold back in asking you guys what your guys' thoughts are, progress. If you guys are on your lock journey, You can definitely share your videos down below. I'll check them out, and you guys who's watching this one can check them out also. I'm gonna go have a nap, and I'll see you guys in my next video.